Alright guys, is 500 subscriber special. I just went ahead and bought this brand new Mistral fan from Harvey Norman, and can't wait to install it. And yeah, it's got the manual, so hopefully it's alright. Let's get started on building it up. Alright, so sorry if I did this wrong, but my first time installing up a ceiling fan. So this is a nice old Mistral here. It's a beautiful old Mistral. So right, we'll hang this up. I'm not going to bother connecting it to power yet. Oh, it's a bit dirty. Why is it dirty brand new out of box? What the heck is this? Is that meant to be in a brand new fan? Let me know in the comments below if it's meant to be or not. Right, it's got the blade screws already attached. Perfect. Huh? Why are there different blades? Oh well, we'll work with it. So yeah, gonna do this. Right, here's my beautiful Mistral. Once done, we'll take a look at the box and see if it looks like the box, shall we? Alright, so I'll fast forward the video until we're there. Alright, I assembled my brand new Mistral ceiling fan. Let's see if it looks like the box. Right, there's the box. Huh? That doesn't look right. What is going on? I assembled it right. What's going on here? Stupid fan. Why does it look like... What? How cheap? I didn't even do anything. Gosh, this thing wasn't worth $59, was it? Bloody blade just flies off. How safe. How dumb is this design? The blade locks in. This is stupid. Look at this. You can just loosen it and then it bloody comes off. That is ridiculous quality here. But, you know, we'll work with it. Alright, I'm going to turn on the fancy ceiling fan. Turn it on. Turn it on full blast. Turn it on. Spin up. Speed up. That thing doesn't look like the picture though. What is this made of? It just bounces. This doesn't look like the picture. I'm gonna return it to the store now. What's this I just found? It's a golf club. Maybe I don't need to return it. After all, maybe I can just fix it up myself. Right, I'm gonna attempt to fix it myself. Yeah, I can't bother taking it back to the store, so yeah. I'm just gonna do this instead. I'm gonna... Oh, that blade just needs some troubleshooting. How unsafe is this fan? Look at it. Another blade. This is another blade. How unsafe is this fan? It is extremely dangerous. Don't buy them. What's going on here? Stupid tag. I don't know what that's for. Now I'm going to get up here and fix it up. Money weren't locked into place right. There's no screwdriver in here, I don't think, so I can't tighten the screws up. And stupid Mistral didn't give me the right fan. Oh wait, no, that was Harvey Norman's fault. They're trying to swap out the fans. How dare them. Right, now I need a full... What? The bearings sound horrific in it, and it's brand new. That's just disgusting quality. What's it doing? What's it doing that? It's slouching. Just start spinning. Oh, there we go. Now it's power. At least some power. What? It stopped working already and it's brand new. Look at doing that. Why is the blade slouching? Sit up. Stupid cheap green metal. Oh, fine. Fix it up again. It's up tight enough. Now I need to bend it down so it doesn't come undone. Where's the other one that was doing it? Here it was. There we go. Oh, now it's not right. Much better. I think there's something wrong with my fan. I think the blades are a little bit too out of balance, don't you think? Oh, what? I put the blade on backwards. No, that's what the problem is. Steady on. The blades aren't bent up enough. There we go. That looks much better, doesn't it? Whoa, it's so wobbly, but why? I could have sworn I fixed it right. That's so wobbly. Don't salt the ceiling. What is wrong with this blade? Oh no! What's going on here? What's with this? Huh, now it's missing. Back in there. Oh, now this one's doing the same thing as Arlick. Don't do that! Oh, this thing's just an absolute piece of junk. Gosh. Get up there and fix it. Don't try to assault me. What's going on here? Will you quit doing that? Gosh, this thing's a piece of junk. Will you quit smashing? Oh, this cane insert is stupid bloody fan. Stupid, stop smashing like that. Goodness me, and start functioning. What's that? It's got a bit of wobble. It's unacceptable. The wobble's just unacceptable. We quit wobbling. Will you quit wobbling like that? I'm trying to get the fan working right. I think it's having some errors. I can't do. I think my fan's having some errors that I need to troubleshoot. Why is it swaying around? This is not acceptable. Oh, look what you did. Oh, and I found out the brand of this actual ceiling fan. It's not Mistral, it's Lanson. Goodness me, Lanson. What are you doing in a Mistral box? I think this lesson will just power it up and watch it work, I guess. So, hope it doesn't chuck a blade. That's why it's only on medium. If on high, it might chuck a blade because I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe with this Lanson ceiling fan. It's like very See what I mean? See? See what I mean? Stupid blade. I'll save it up for later when I put it back up because I can't boil at the moment. Stupid thing, stop slashing. That's how it is, right? Oh, this Lanson's just not cooperating. I give up. I just can't do it with this fan anymore. Whoa, it's getting mad. Doing? It's jamming itself. Now it can spin. Are you going to start doing something other than just wobbling around? What? It's just cheap. quit spinning. This thing is just so dangerous. Oh, it broke. Now I need to replace the blade. Done like it. Will you quit falling over like that? Oh no. Light had an error, hey? Lightning error. What, lightning got to strike the fan, eh? Crazy man destroys the fan. Blades are actually somewhat durable. Somehow. Oh no, denting the canopy. Don't spin. Don't get angry at me. Stop getting mad. I'm getting mad. That's better, right? Oh no. Having even more of an error than it ever did. Oh, this thing. Oh, it's driving me insane. It needs to start working. Missed. Ah, shit. That's it. Stop slouching towards me. What's going on with this light kit? Why just come undone? Stupid piece of junk. I need to try and assemble it back. Oh, I can't. It's all broken now. That's right. That's how it goes. Start spinning up. Oh, it's just too wonky. Time for a little short break and hopefully I'll calm down with this fan. I've calmed down a bit. Or maybe not. Stupid cheap blades. Why is it so brittle? Stupid Lanson ceiling fan. Lanson TM. Or PM, you Lanson. What's going on here? It's getting mad. Oh, why does the door keep shutting? There's not enough light in the studio now. Hope you can still see fine because the stupid studio light's gone. What'd you do, Lanson? Maybe you need that extra blade. Here's the extra blade. Oh wait, sorry, here it is. It broke. Stupid shit, man. Don't fall. Seriously, I don't want it to fall because there's stuff under it. The hammerhead's coming loose. What are you doing, Lanson? I don't want it to fly off and hit me. Oh, this thing's just having an error. I need to get up here and troubleshoot it, that's all. Lanson model number LANFC 13AW. The AW stands for crap. Stop doing that! Oh, I think it's time for a break with this Lanson. It's not spinning. I think I need some gloves for this. It's gonna seize. All I want it to do is seize up. Jammed. Where's you out doing this? No blade error. Just scrap after this. I want it slocked itself. Good enough. How has it not seized up? Of course, I think I'm... Oh, stop jamming! You either jammed or you work perfectly, like that. Troubleshoot that error. Fan having a huge, gigantic error. Take care of that. I should have worn gloves for this because the particle boards are rough. Getting on me. Oh, I think Lanson, they're calling down. Look at this canopy all mangled. Oh, whatever, Lanson. Whatever you think, whatever you want. Still hasn't jammed. Just keeps spinning forever. Why won't it seize up? I want to end this video. How has it not seized yet? Oh. Oh, the fan. Now it's locked into place. Hey! Don't do that. There we go. Seized up. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.